Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Miele DA2558 cooker hood and you need to do a hard reset on it to the factory default settings. Now this is going to reset the Wi-Fi on it if you have a Wi-Fi connection on it. So this is a good step to do for troubleshooting if the hood will not connect to Wi-Fi, or if it keeps disconnecting, if it's not pairing or not syncing or not responding, things like that. This is a good step for the troubleshooting. Also, if you want to set this up in a new spot or just use it as a brand new hood, you're going to need to do this to reset it, the Wi-Fi on it and everything. Anyways, if you're ready to do that, it's quite simple. All you need to do is come down on the hood here, and you're going to find the, make sure it's powered off, by the way. You're going to find the little light bulb button here, and then the minus button, and you're going to press and hold those two buttons simultaneously. And then when you do that, you'll see the 2 and the 3 eventually will light up. And once they light up, you can let go. And then you'll have to wait about 2 minutes for the reset to be completed. And then you can set the hood up again as a new hood.